When you come out here, you might never leave. This is 113 Grace Trace. Got that, Chris?
Got it.
Okay, this house is so cool. You know when I tell you it's got the cool factor? Well, this is what it's got. It's modern inside. It's all redone. Oh my gosh, the master shower is incredible. The kitchen, it overlooks this wonderful deck. And then look, Chris, I don't want to fall. You go straight down here. Look at this. Straight down here, and you've got that wonderful dock. Sit out there, hang out, let the kids run around. This is an awesome little place, and it's a secret place. You got to get inside to really see it because it is cool. So give me a call, and you better call quick because it is priced to sell. You're going to love it. 478-731-1302. The pictures are going to be coming on soon. Oh my God, that's somebody calling. You ready for this one? Give me a call. Call JoJo.